Glad to be back. Today is Sunday, 2/21. We're looking at the SPX here. This shows basically the rally since early 2009. What I'm showing here is basically we're using the extension off of 2000 high to catch and project a 2,290.5 target. This is on a monthly so that we could bring it all in. Why am I using this rather than this one, which is a little bit higher? I'm using this because on an unadjusted, actually this one, on an adjusted, this is actually higher. It really wouldn't make any difference. They would both catch this. So I'm just prejudiced toward using this one. This is the current contract, the ESH6, going to expire in the month coming up. This is a weekly chart. Basically what I'm showing here is off the 2010 high, we caught the current measured move down. Previously, this measured move was from here to here. You can see it's virtually the same. Now we came back up into it. When we hit that, the first time it was projecting a first target of 1738.19. As you see, the long on the SPX that I showed caught that. There isn't currently any measured move up on the weekly. We've just opened the market, so we're showing the new week here, and we opened fairly close to where we ended. This is the daily. Again, we're looking at that same measured move from the weekly. The only thing that's really different about this, and let's switch this over. Let's make sure this is on an extended hours. You can see that it wasn't, because I knew this was a bit lower. Let's see if we can find something in the daily that will show this measured move. That works. So basically, we're showing a first target pretty much right into well, wait a minute. That's not really quite a measured move because it's a violation here, but there is a measured move in a lower time frame, and it will project up into this resistance. Let's go to the 4 hour. This is a little bit more instructive. This is showing that same measured move down in more detail. And now we can look at what measured moves have been trading in the 4 hour that's brought this up almost into its resistance. Okay. On the gap up, in the overnight trading from, let's see, the 14th, we've been using that as the anchor all along. We had the first time it was used here, brought us into basically and beyond the second target. Oh, I see. The first time it was used was right here. Okay. And so let's highlight that again. That was brought in and past the second target. Oops, I'm still not using the right one. There we go. Okay. Same thing we're showing here. I don't think that's right. Let's see. Oh, I see. There was a violation here the first time. And then the second time it was used. And actually front run just a little bit. And so last Friday again, we hit this. Right now we have, on this time frame, we almost traveled up into resistance. We've opened a bit lower here today. So right now what we want to do is we want to show this. Let's just take it from here. And then let's pull this in a little bit, see what's going on. There's nothing that's traded here. So basically we did trade down, but not so that we would go into this first target here. So basically what we're caught between is the catch of this extension on Friday, which is projecting back up into the resistance to 1949.61. And we have a short going still that we didn't quite trade into, but very close. Let's see what this is. 16, 15, 25. Within 3 ticks, we traded to. So we're basically in balance right now. We can see this was the measured move on the downside on Thursday that we traded almost into the second target short, caught the support, and we're currently bouncing, but with no measured move long at this point. We just a pure bounce on Friday, and even after the close, we sort of closed lower, but didn't really hit support, at least on this time frame. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, this is showing those same extensions long. Oh, okay. That's not the same extensions. That's the one that caught this. So we have these two extensions long, the one that caught here and the one that caught the down move on Friday. You can see there was the same down move that I talked about, and then actually, let's see, 16. Okay, we did hit that support on Friday, exactly to the tick, into the 1916 resistance. That this would forecast a move back through the current support that was hit here into 1890.24. On the upside, we basically just have, let's pull this in a bit. We really didn't have much going on Friday. We had one long after we came into support in the morning. We traded this long. We did have a measured move that did go to the first target and then actually to resistance. You can see we've basically been in balance even above this support. We've been using this support and this resistance right now. We basically don't have any longs. You can see the open Sunday. We basically opened down. So we really need to draw this from here to here and stand to the right. Our support is just below at 1907.25 if we use this whole measured move on Friday lows to highs.